Hey everybody, welcome to the Home of Crypto. So today what I want to do is give you a quick rundown of the proxy for crypto markets, and that's specifically MSTR, which is MicroStrategies, and Coinbase. So those two are proxies in the stock market that can be traded and has the ability to take some leverage on these. What I mean by leverage is that you can exercise options to give you an outsized gain that you might not necessarily be exposed to going through the regular crypto assets, and if you're not using leverage. But if you want a vehicle where you have access to a leverage play in the stock market that's more liquid, you could take a look at MicroStrategies and Coinbase. So first of all, MicroStrategies, we had an insane move, just like pretty much all the crypto assets did, all the way up to that four. Let's actually take a look to give you the exact number, up to 542, and then ever since then we had a pullback of approximately 45% down to that 293. And now, just today, we'll take a look on daily. We're just crossing above that 20 EMA. So, something to really keep an eye on is what I'm expecting next. Is since we are above the 20 EMA, we are above. Where it had just had the MACD crossover. We're above the 20, we're above the 50, and we're well above the 100. It came back down, kind of tested that gap below that we had, and now it bounced off of that. So what it does is, as long as the crypto markets are going up, Bitcoin specifically, this kind of tracks that move, but with a more leveraged exponential play, either to the upside or to the downside. So one thing to keep an eye on is that we have had a bounce, really nice bounce off of that support for the past 2 3 days, two trading sessions, I would say, and we have a nice crossover on MACD. So we could potentially test. First thing to keep an eye on would be that 438, and then if Bitcoin really takes off, we could be testing that 544. So keep an eye on that. That's number one. The other thing to keep an eye on would be Coin. Coin was just like crypto assets again, just like ETH that we just discussed in some of our videos. If you're not familiar with that, you could go ahead and click on my channel and watch some of the other crypto assets that I cover as well. So we had this nice trend line in ETH as well that we bounced off of. And so Coin is kind of acting like that. And the same thing with MicroStrategies, right? So we had this trend line that we came down, tested, bounced nicely off of that support. And now we're above the 20 EMA. We have approximately almost ready to do a MACD crossover as well, with a nice volume, nice upside action. And on a short term frame, we had this trend line that was in place. We just cleared it today. So we'll see how we close today. If we close strong today and Bitcoin has strong price action, this could be an additional leverage play that you could take a bet on, that I think we could test the all time highs pretty soon, right around there at 350. So keep an eye on that. If you're interested in more crypto assets, more leverage plays, please put a comment below and I'll do my best to cover that. Thanks, everybody.